Hello guys, welcome to the channel. You're watching Technicos, and today we're going to talk about Boat SpinX 2.0, the Bluetooth speaker from Boat. Let's get into it. Let's start with the design. Now the Boat SpinX 2 comes in a tube or cylindrical shape, and the top and the bottom part of it is made up of silicon or rubber kind of material, and the middle part of it is made up of fabric. Actually, it's covered with fabric and not made up with fabric. Is covered with fabric, and it has only 4 buttons on it: the volume up and down button, the play pause button, and the action button, from which you can change the source of the music which you're playing, like the aux or Bluetooth or however you're playing it. Now the speaker has a 40mm or actually two 40mm dynamic drivers, which means it's a stereo speaker, and comes with a IP6 rating, IP6 water and dust resistance rating. Now on the back of it, it has a tripod mount, which means it's pretty good for parties and all, and we'll see about the music quality. But it has a tripod mount, and on the back side with the tripod mount, it has a USB, micro USB slot with a SD card slot and a 3.5mm jack for your aux outputs. The speaker comes with a built-in mic, which is pretty good, and the speaker is 12 watt in power outage. Coming on to the connectivity of the speaker, it comes with a Bluetooth 4.2 with a maximum range of 10 meters, which I tested, and it came out to be about 8 to 9 meters. And along with that, it has a SD card slot, which I just mentioned, and a 3.5mm jack. So music connectivity is not much of a problem, and it comes with a truly wireless features through which you can connect two Boat SpinX to one device, and you can play it as two stereo speakers, which would make 4 stereo speakers, or yes, whatever. You can connect 2 speakers to each other and to one device. I hope you get it. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Talking about the sound quality of the Boat SpinX 2, the sound quality is pretty decent. It's pretty clear and loud and gives you a decent amount of bass. But again, I have seen this in Boat that when they give you the metal kind of frame, the bass is heavy. It has a bass heavy, so this speaker is not that much bass heavy. It's decent amount of bass, but when you buy a speaker which says dynamic drivers and subwoofers and all that, okay, this one does not say subwoofer, but the Boat Stone 650 says it has subwoofers, so that one is a little bit bass heavy, and if you want a bass heavy speaker, I think you should check that one out. But this one has a good sound quality. It's clear, it's loud, but the bass is lacking just a little bit. It's good, but lacks just a little bit. Now coming on to the battery of the speaker, it has a 2200 mAh battery, and it gives you about 8 hours of playtime, which the company claims, and I found it to be about 6 hours with full volume, and with 50% volume about 7 to 7.5 hours, which is also a decent time, and you can play it while it's charging, and it takes about 3.5 hours to completely charge from 0 to 100 when you're not using it, so keep that in mind. I wonder if it had C-type or fast charging, it would have charged really fast. But still, 3.5 hours to charge 0 to 100 and 8 hours of time. So it's a decent amount of time. What can I say? The Boat SpinX 2 comes for about 2499, which is 2500 rupees. And that price is, I guess, decent for this kind of speaker, which is pretty loud and crisp and clear. But if you want a bass heavy speaker, I would suggest you to go for the Boat 650, Boat Stone 650. I am going to try it, but it's not in stock right now. I would have bought it already if it was, but I hope I will get it soon, and then make a video about it as well. So we'll see about it. But if you want a bass heavy speaker, go for the Boat Stone 650, and if you want a good decent amount of speaker which looks premium, you can go for the Boat SpinX 2. It's about 2500 rupees, which is not that much if you consider the quality of this speaker. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.